Kabila sa balas. Yung bola wala na, tatalong pa lang eh.
Semi-final round between black and blue. Ambal Terminal League. It's game time. Blue ball. Blue ball. No good. Hindi tumama sa ring. Wala pa din. Tulog pa rin. 11. Oh, yeah, no good. Number 11. Still by number 4. Number 8 now. Mushi. Oh, no, basket. Number 12, 19, 8 seconds to shoot, 5 to shoot. Number 3, nakalusot, basket. Number 4, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 11, 11 now. 11, 5. Simon?
Tape. Game ball.
Sandy. Tumira na 3, no good.
Tinira sa bata-bata niya. Hindi pa nga ako kumana.
Number 4. Pass to number 6.
Umaasa na sa loading.
10 seconds to shoot. Ay, steal. By number 12. Number 12. Ang layo. Number 8. Pass to number 13. No good. Rebound by number 4. Oy, number 4 pa rin. Wala. 13. No good. Number 4 pa rin. Basket na.
Kinain ng buhay pa.
Number 3. Number 3. 5. Number 8 to number 4. Layup. Basket. And score 6-2. Number 3 now. Pass 5. 13 again. 13. Traveling.
Hands ready. Backing out. Wala.
6 minutes 20 remaining first quarter. 11. Pass to number 19. No good. Rebound by 70. My foul.
What happened to your screen?
Tres.
19. Pass to number 11. Basket.
Down, don't wait there. Let's go.
Number 4. Susubok na 3 ulit. No good. Rebound by number 19. 11. 11. Muntik na maagaw. Number 12. Basket. It's a tie, 6-1. Number 19. 10-second shoot. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 13. 30. Pass to number 6. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Binali. Basket.
Mali yan ah. Ikaw ka, pag nagmura ka.
Number 3. Pass to number 11. 11. Ay. My foul. My foul si number 8. First personal foul, first team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. No good. Oy. Number 11. Wala. Number 13 to number 8. Basket. 4 minutes and 10.
Sa park ba? Sa Manila Park.
10 seconds to shoot. 11. Jump shot. Basket.
Oo, mahali pa. Boundary sa mga. Sinbati ka nila sa Singapore.
He scored 10-8. Blue. By 2. Number 4. 4 to number 8. No good. Rebound by number 3. 3 to number 11. 11. 11. Basket na naman.
Kulang kayo, visit.
Number 4. Oh, walang move by number 4. Three minutes and 10.
Oo, first quarter, walang nakalitan ah.
78 to number 19. Wala. Number 4 naman. 4-3. Bang! For free! Time out! Black.
Nice. Nakay ba? Kalakal.
Oh, still by number 6. Number 6 out. Number 6. Ipasa. My foul. My foul. Si number 3. Illegal use of hand. 2 shots. Two shots by number 6. Unang free throw. Basket. Second free throw. Basket pa rin.
Halain mo, kitang-kita. Ayun o.
Hey!
2 minutes and 8 remaining. Second, first quarter. Oy, huli by number 13. 13, pass to number 4. Number 4 to number 6. Basket na naman.
Ayun o. Ayun o.
Bye again.
Kailangan nang gumawa si number 3. Ipagkita ng 3 natin dyan. Number 11. 11 to number 3. Number 3. Basket na.
May cut change sa gitna. Walang gitna.
1 minute and 26. To number 6. 10 seconds shoot. Number 8 for 3. Bang! score 22. Save one. 16 seconds to shoot.
Bawal ang talbo dito.
Oh, 13 na naman. 13. Basket.
Tama.
43 seconds remaining. Oh, steal again. Back to 14.
Uy!
21 basket. 20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds.
Tira!
5. Number 13, no good. Rebound by 3, 2, 1. Basket by number 13. Yeah. Number 3 for 3, no good. Number 11, basket. Basket count. Number 8. Number 8 foul. Second personal foul. Number 8. Basket. 9.3, 26-17. Number 8, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 17. Number 3, pass to number 11. 11, basket. Binura na po ang 12-point lead. 5-0 run. 13. Pass to number 6. To number 8. Number 8. Ay, troubling violation.
Ganun lang dapat. Wala na nga kayo, may traffic nito. Di ba pag binitbit ang bola, walang ano?
Ay, still win rate. 8. Ay, gumante. Oh. Good. Number 4. 4 to number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by 18. 18 to number 78. 78 to number 11. 11. Basket. Time out. Blue. They score 26-21.
Tingnan mo yung
DJ! Nalaro kayo?
13.
Punta ko na naman to.
Ay, symbol. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
Hallelujah!
Number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Oh, good.
Galing na dudong ko.
11 now. 11. 11. Oh, what a shot by number 11.
Hey, bilis! Bilis!
11 po lahat ang score ng second quarter. Simbol. 3-point lead. 9-0 run. Number 6. Pass to number 13. 13. Sumubok na 3. No good. Rebound by number 21. 21. Number 3. Number 3. Basket na naman. 1-point lead. 26-25. Number 4. Okay, traveling violation. Subrep, substitution.
Nail.
Number 9 in 60 now. Six minutes, 37. Number 3, pass number 70, 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3, no good.
Sige na. Depensa tayo. Depensa tayo.
Kung ka na ba ng...
Number 4 to number 6. Number 6 now. Number 6. Number 4. 4. Number 4, no good. Okay. May tulak na yan. Si number 4. Pushing foul.
Aba, harap!
Second team ball. First personal foul.
Doon, kailangan ko maging malakas doon.
11 to number 78. 78 to number 11. No good.
Jamilo, Jamil!
10 seconds to shoot. 11. 5 to shoot. Oh, basket. Yes. Lamang na po. Number 4. Wala. 21. To number 11. 5 minutes. 11. 11. Basket na naman. Zero pa rin.
May pagyayabang!
Zero pa rin si Blue. 29-26 score. Black up by 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 for 3. No good. Pass to number... Oh, basket. By number 8. Nakaputos din. Four minutes, 20. Number 3. 3. Ay, still. Number 6. Number 6 na mamadali. Number 6. Number 6. By foul. Number 11 foul. Subrep, substitution.
Tambak na kami.
Two shots by number 6.
Galing din yung team na.
Una free throw.
Malakas ng mga...
Wala.
Stamina ng mga...
Second free throw.
Yung sigla natin.
free throw. Wala pa din. Oy, number 6. Susubok ulit. Basket na.
Likod ah!
17. Oh, still by number 6. 13. 30 now. Wala. Ay, may foul. May foul si number 18. Illegal contact. Number 18 foul. Substitution. Subrep. Substitution. Two shots by number 6. Walang ban. Dalaw. Two shots. Wala pa din.
Mulat mo yung mata mo!
Release the ball. Wala na.
No good.
Saba!
Number 78. 78 foul. 30 foul. 30 foul.
Black, time out muna kayo. Black, yan yung team nyo.
Time out. Black.
Usap!
Pero balis. Mababalis ako ba?
Bola! Bigyan mo ng tubig.
Number 8. What a shot by number 8. Balik na po sa tatlo kalabangan ni Blue. Number 12. Number 12. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul si number 6 foul. Illegal contact. First personal foul. 30 foul. Bonus free throw. No good.
Ay, kung ano yung pabango ko na, nagpabanguhan ko nga ito.
Number 11.
Hindi ko nadadaling mo yung pangampas ko yan. Hindi ito linadala.
2 minutes and 44. Remaining. 13. Number 13 to number 4 for 3. Bang! For 3. Is for 35 Blue. Block 33. 11. 11. Pass to number 19. 19. Walang mabasahan. 18 nira. No good.
Bigay mo na!
Number 4. 4. Number 3. Number 3 now. Number 3. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Follow-up basket. He scored 37-35. 2-point lead Blue. Number 3. Number 4 again. Bang! 1 minute 34. Ay, may foul. May foul si number 9. Holding foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Number 3. Number 3 now. Titira na tres. No good. Rebound by. Ay, agaw. Number 6. Number 6 now. Number 6. Number 6! Oh God. Number 8. Oy. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh. Oy. My foul. My foul is number 12. Illegal contact. 2 shots. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Unang free throw. 56 seconds remaining. Number 6 basket. 43 seconds remaining. 11. Number 11 now. 11. Ay, nawala. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Ipasa number 13. Number 4. 20 seconds remaining. Number 12 for 3. No good. 11. 11. PG foul. PG foul. Number 11. PG foul.
Nice D, nice D.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter. Score 43 blue, 35 black. Okay. Pabelay.
Ay, huwag yung talikuran na. Harap na kayo, pre.
Number 3. Number 3 to number 43, 37, 6-point lead. Number 4 na naman. No good. Rebel by 70. 70 to number 11. 11 to number 12. Basket na. Oy. Number 8. Number 8. Wala. Nakuha rin number 17. To number 11. 11.
Ganyan ba? Magpasahan kayo dalawa?
Number 8. Number 8. Basket. They score 45-39. Blue up by 6.
Tumawa sa loob.
Oy.
Balik!
Mali ang pinasahan.
Balik, pre!
Ayun o,
Number
Alvin!
12. To number 11. To number 18. 11.
Yeah.
41-45. Blue up by 4. Oy. Number 4. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. No good. Good, good. 11. Super pala yun. Number 8. Oh, basket na naman. May foul. May blocking foul si number 6. Blocking foul.
Paning ba? Wala pa?
Second personal foul, number 6.
Ayun naman, excited.
Hindi talagang bigyan ng medal si Malalakbay.
Yan, sa Malalakbay. Magagaling kasi. Magagaling kasi.
Number 3, no good. 18, number 18, basket. Oh, traveling violation.
Travel. Hindi.
Ay, naibigyan na siya. Mamaya siya ha. Number 4. Pinch foul. Sabrep. Sabi ito dyan. Force of pinch rep. Moving screen.
Illegal pick daw, illegal pick.
Sino pinsan? Favorite number 2 pa naman yan. Galing nila yung yan. Apat sila dito.
21. No good. Number 6 to number 4. Basket. Time out. Block.
Sir, 51 yata kami. 51.
Tama sir. Apa.
Paling ko mo laro ah. Walo lang yan oh.
6 minutes.
Arnel, pati liwanan mo yun. Oh. Si Arnel.
21. 18. Number 18. Problem violation.
Tot, pinatid ka, Tot. Pinatid ka.
Thirteen. 8 seconds to shoot. Oy.
Two shot.
May foul si number 18 foul.
Ayos lang sa Boracay, sir.
Second personal foul, number 18. 2 shots by number 30.
Purple. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa matanda. Makakalimutin na talaga. Malabo ang mata. Sadyang matanda na. Intindihin nyo na lang.
Second free throw.
Walang nasabi. Nice
Oy. Nagong pa rin ni number 8 to number 13 for 3. Walang tinaman.
Baba. Oy, kuhanin mo na, Todd. Kuhanin mo na. Yung bibigyan ng kape, Todd.
Grabe na, atasan pala yan.
Forma dito, sa bukta.
Number 3, pass to number 78. 78! Wala. Number 6. Malakas to number 13.
Wag na kayo magano. Huwag yung patulan yung joke. Depensa lang.
11. Number 11. 11. 17. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2. Good. Black ball.
Sawagin mo, nasa
Oy. 18 to number. Oy, may foul. Foul si number 11. 11 foul.
Tres na!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 3, no good. Oy. May foul. Foul si number 13.
Nice foul!
Number 13. Warning for penalty. First personal foul.
Tod, kanina bola, Tod, kanina bola. Sentro. Hay! 5 seconds. Takbo! Arnel! Wake up! Arnel, wake up!
Doon sir, doon.
To, wag kang pala desisyon to. Visit ka. Pala desisyon na masyado ba?
Nahihilo, ang tingin na dito eh. Iba na.
Palitan nyo na ba, pambira?
Nahihilo na, papalitan na.
O to,
Kayo pa raw.
to, kakampi ka ha. O, bigay mo.
Number 6 na naman.
Sa laki ba naman eh?
Nakita mo ba yun?
17 to number 3. Number 3 to number 11. 11, may foul. Penalty.
Ano kung tatrabaho?
Number 11, penalty. Blue. Sabrep, substitution.
Hintay mo lang score ha.
2 shots by number 11.
Para ma-fresh leg.
Oh, now free throw. Basket. Second free throw. Wala. Oy. Number 6 to number 8. Basket by number 8.
Baba na pre! Pre, wag na, kaya mo na yun pre. Let's go na tayo.
Point 1, basket.
Tignan mo, nawala tayo sa depensa, di ba? Wag na kayo magreklamo, yan nyo na. Maintain lang score, maintain lang.
Score 56-44, 12-point lead, blue.
Amuibi kasi
Number 30 na.
pambira.
13, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 11. Oy, short. Number 8 na naman, no good.
Dalawa.
Number 12. Number 12, basket.
Tama.
Time out, blue.
Pag may tawag, wala nang diskusyon na.
Dito pala. Kasama ko pala.
Gibi na pala.
Okay.
Reyes ka nga. Reyes ka nga.
Two minutes. Number 16. 16 to number 4. Number 4. Basket by number 4. Oy. Muntik na mahuli. Number 12 now. Number 12. Oy. Number 12. Diniritso. No good. 4 to number 6. Oy. Stepping in line. 1 minute 20. Number 3. Number 3. Malakas. May pushing foul. Number 6 pushing foul. Penalty. 2 shots. Number 6. Tatlo pala sir. Number 6 and number 8. Tatlo.
May offensive ka kanina siya. Yun yung pangatlo. Illegal screen. Number 6. Number 8 sir, ikaw yun sir.
Basket. One minute 12 remaining. Bang! For wave by number 9.
Bola.
53 seconds remaining. Score 61-47. Oy. He's stepping in the line. Blue. Black ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Back to 14.
Bakit back to 0? Third. Tatapos na.
Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4 na naman.
Bigay mo na! 5 seconds!
Number 6. 18 seconds remaining. Number 4 na naman. 8, 10,
Last set to, last
8,
set.
7, 6, 5. Number 3, no good. And number third quarter score 65-47. Blue up by 18. Pass to number 3. Number 3. May foul. High check. Foul number 4. Second personal foul number 4. Sub-rep. Substitution. Number 16 out. 18. To number 17. He's stepping in the line. Last 9 minutes and 43. Number 4. Oh, number 3.
Pambihira. Kanina pa yun ah, pang-apat na yan. Number 11.
Basket! May kasama bang foul?
Basket down, 13.
Number 13 foul. Second personal foul. Bonus free throw by number 11. Oy, wala.
Balik, sanitation.
To number 13. Agaw. 11 to number 78. Number 78. May foul na naman. Foul naman si number 13. Hacking foul. Third personal foul, number 13. Third team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3, basket. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Oh. Wala. 11. Pass to number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Oh, wala. Wala pa rin. Yun na by number 18. Humahabol na po, humahabol. 6-0 na, 6-0 na again. Number 3 to number 4. Wala na naman. Number 9 for 3. 30 to number 21. Oy, steal. 4, number 4. Oy, steal by number 4. Number 78. 78 now to number 11. 11. Basket. Time out. Block. Nice shot by number 11.
Time out.
Block. Block.
Sa basket.
Time out.
Wala, basket sir. Wala tayong time out pag ano. Sila nakabasket eh. Advantage. Wala ka nakashoot eh.
Oh.
Dapat wala time out. Uy, diretso. Time out. Kasi sa kanila. Sinabihan ko lang wala ka rin.
Okay. Last 7 minutes and 14. Oh, basket by number 9. Last 6 minutes and 55. Number 12. 12 to number 78. No good. Rebound by number 21. 21, basket.
Sasab kayo, nandiyan ka pala. Sir, sasab kayo, sir? Hindi. Sasab kayo, hindi. Kasi nakaupo dito ka. Sige, sorry. Hindi lang kasi sasab.
Pag-isama na sa. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. 11. 11. Basket naman by number 11. Last 6 minutes and 6 seconds. 72-59. Number 4. Traveling violation. Number 3 to number 11. 11. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Number 13 again, foul. 13, fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul. Number 13.
Sampu na lang.
No good. Okay. 78. Basket.
Ganun sana, Alfred. Kanina pa.
Last 5 minutes and 43. Seconds to shoot. Solid lane. Violation. My foul.
Come on, man, that's traveling already.
My foul, si number 12, blocking foul. Foul again, number 21 foul. Number 6, no good. Grab on by 21. 21 now to number 12. 12, oh yeah, go. Number 6 to number 4. Number 4, no good. Grab on by. Oh. 13. Blocking foul. 78, blocking foul. Second personal foul, number 78. Last 5 minutes and 3.
Tol, presence of my tol! Anong nangyari sa inyo?
Puno free throw, wala.
Mamay sir. Sir. Mamay sir.
Ba nagmamadali kayo?
Basket, sub-rep, substitution. Sub.
Box out sa ilalim, pre! Box out sa ilalim! Lakay!
Last 4 minutes and 53. 73-63 score. 78. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket by number 3. Number 4. Last 4 minutes and 27. 73-65 score. 10 seconds to shoot. 13 to number 9 again. Oh, good. Bravo by number 18. 18. My foul. Penalty blue. Number 9 foul. Second personal foul. Number 9. Second.
May mga foul pa kayo!
2 shots. 2 shots by number 18.
Akala mo naman nakapag
Ay.
uminit lang.
Second free throw. Basket.
Check!
Number 8. 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8 for 3. Bang! Number 3 now. Number 3. No good. Rebound by 21. Basket.
Walo!
Last 3 minutes and 29. 78, 68. 76, 60. Five seconds to shoot.
5 seconds. Tira.
4. No good. Good.
Labas.
Number 13. No good. Oh, number 4. Basket. Timeout. Black. Last 3 minutes and 4. His score 78, 68. Blue. Up by 10.
Ubus meron daw. Ubus ka na ba?
Correction 69, 70.
Ay? 9 lang? 7 point kanina eh. Nakato sila.
Tama sir.
Ano yung contest or kamali lang?
Nagkamali lang.
Sir, may time, ilan pa time mo kami?
Dalawa sir.
Dalawa.
Ah.
3 minutes lang ha.
Okay, back to the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 4. 11. Number 11. Blue ball. Last 2 minutes and 54. 9-point lead.
Silang, ano ba?
10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Oh, still by number 17. 78 now. To number 11. 11. 278. Ay, wala. Number 11. Basket.
Mas kami ni Star. Silas. Silang, mas kami.
13 to number 4. Number 4.
Dami turas.
10 seconds to shoot.
Seconds.
Number 8. No good. Rebel by 18. Ay, nasundot. Giving line.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 7 minutes to lang. Silang. Huli na. Hoy, mabito tres.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh, last 2 minutes. Tahan. Yes.
Last 1 minute and 47. 10 seconds to shoot.
Seconds.
Number 4.
10 seconds. Tira.
13. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds lang.
3 seconds to shoot.
Tinira.
3 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute and 37. Black ball.
Oh, sige. Sige, wag na. Ayan nyo lang. 6 na yan. Huli.
Number 3. My foul. My foul si number 9. Third personal foul, number 9. Third personal foul. Last 1 minute and 32. Unang free throw. Basket. 6 na lang. Second free throw. Basket pa rin. 5-point lead. Number 8. 8 to number 4. Basket count. Basket count by number 4. 17 foul. Bonus free throw, no good.
Diretso!
11 basket na naman. May foul. May foul. Foul si number 21, penalty. 21 foul. Penalty, second personal foul, number 21. Last 1 minute and 10. Unang free throw, wala. May pag-asa pa. Both teams penalty. Wala. May foul. Number 4 foul. Blocking foul. 2 shots.
Lima lang yan, no?
Number 4, third personal foul. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Score 80 blue, 75 black. 5-point lead.
Mga ganyan ba?
Walang nagtaga sir.
Hindi pa mag-time out? Bakit?
Basket pa din.
Depensa! Depensa!
Last 1 minute and 5.
Walay kayo, walay. Para may kasa. Yan o. Oh, bigay.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds!
Yun!
May foul. May foul si number. Sino foul sir? Number 18. Number 18 foul. Third personal foul, number 18. Isang lagi. Black, you have 1 timeout remaining. Blue also, 1 timeout. Isa lang sir. Black, 1 timeout. Second free throw. Wala pa din. Oy. 10 seconds to shoot. My foul again. Foul number 11. Third personal foul number 11. 2 free throw. 2 free throw by number 9. Wala pa din. May pag-asa pa. May pag-asa pa. May pag-asa pa. Wala.
Dalawa, tatlo. Ay.
Okay. 20 seconds to shoot.
Lapit kayo, lapit.
Lapit! Lapit! 40 seconds! Mabilis lang yan!
Go kayo.
Hula ba?
Last 40 seconds. Sir, skill na sungot sir. Sir, skill sungot sir.
Diretso!
11 to number 18. One point lead, number 6. Laging foul. Number 6, fourth personal foul.
Si Jamil pag-rebound din mo.
Isa lang be! Isa lang!
No good. Oy. Last 18. Last 12. Last 10. My foul. Last 8 seconds. Last 8 seconds. Sige na. Time out pag na-shoot. Ang pangalawa.
Pasok mo na? Wala pa, hindi pa na.
Mga sir, excuse me.
Last 8 seconds.
Review po yung video. Excuse me po.
Wala.
Excuse me sir. Rebound.
Time out. Time out si Black. Time out pag nakashoot. Time out pag shoot.
Kuhanin mo na yun, ha? Laro ka ba?
Pataw ka na lang.
Katsawa ko.
Basket. Time out. Time out Black. It's score 81-79. Last 8 seconds. Last 8 seconds.
8 seconds, malayo pa yan.
Last 8 seconds.
Kumito na yung referee bago mag-ano, may pasa.
Matanda na lang.
Antayin nyo lang yun, ano?
Okay, makinig based from the observation of officiating referees. Okay? Before na nag-contact, before na naipasa ang bola, may contact na silang dalawa, which is same lang. Same lang. Walang commotion na nangyari. What is ang tawag yan, accidental lang sa dalawa. So, same ball tayo. Okay? Wala, nagtatamang lang kayong dalawa. Wala kayong ginagawa.
Ingat kayo.
Okay. Play.
Okay. Last 8 seconds. Time out pag na-shoot. Time out pag na-shoot. Blue, you have 1 time out remaining. Black, no more time out. Okay. May foul.
Meron pa, 5 seconds pa yun.
5 seconds pa.
Last 5 seconds.
Yan, nandiyan ka pala. Ay lang.
Kailangan pasigawan ito para malaman kung nasaan.
Kaya pa yan. Black, no more time out. No more time out. Wala nang time out si Black. Si Blue ang one time out. Black, no more time out. Two, 1, end of the ball game. Final score 81-79.
Sorry. Ganun talaga. Wala tayong magawa.
Panalo po si Blue.
Tangin ang mga pasa ni. Puro sablay ang pasa.